Alright you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do an invisible stitch on your sleeves. So the reason I like the invisible stitch is because obviously if you look at this from the outside, you can't tell that it's stitched. So it just looks normally rolled. But if you look underneath, there's stitching that holds it in place, and this actually holds up through washing it. So your shirt is literally just going to stay rolled up forever, which is amazing because if you've ever tried to roll your sleeves, you probably know that they come unrolled in just a few minutes, and it's really annoying. So this is just a great way to like spice up a t-shirt, especially for like an oversized t-shirt. I feel like it just kind of gives you like a more feminine look, but don't worry, it still look cute on guys too. So if you guys want to do it, don't think it's going to make you look feminine, but for us girls that are wearing like the oversized t-shirt, it just like spices it up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another t-shirt that I have not done it to and show you guys exactly how to do the invisible stitch. Alright you guys, so all you need is a needle and thread. I have my needle stuck in here. Scissors, obviously, to cut it, and then a t-shirt. So I have this super cute Bowie t-shirt, and Raphael actually got me a bunch of really cute band tees for Christmas, and I just looked on the store, and they have like all kinds of t-shirts for less than $15, and I think they have a special sale right now. So if you're watching this later, they might not be on sale, but they're still super affordable, and they're like really nice quality. These ones are a little more fitted than the one I'm wearing, and they have all kinds of cute ones. Like I have one of the ones with like the Rolling Stones like tongue out that's like a black distressed, super, super cute. So I will link a bunch of my favorites down below if you guys are interested in looking at those, but that is what we need in order to do this. So the first thing you want to do is roll the sleeves. Okay, I set up my camera different so you guys can see. So the first thing we want to do is roll the sleeves. So I like to do just 2 rolls, and you want to get the first one right on the line of whatever the sleeve stitching is, because that's going to make sure it really stays in place and it helps it stay for the laundry. So then, and you can see some shirts are shorter in this inside, so you want to make sure to not ever go over that like armpit line, because it's just going to be all weird looking. So we're just going to do 2 rolls. So you can see like that, it looks perfect all the way around. Grab your needle and string. If you guys don't know how to like tie the end of a string, what I was taught to do is hold it here, loop it around your finger, and then roll it down and just pull, and you'll see there's a knot. So then you're gonna go through. So you wanna make sure this stays lined up really nice. If you need to, iron it out. So you're going to find the back right here, and you're going to go through. So you don't want to pop through the shirt with the needle. You're just going to go and grab the inside. So what you can do is make sure that it goes through the back and that you don't see it on the front, which you don't. You see a little pucker there, but that's okay. And that it's actually, if you pull it apart, it's stuck together. So it is. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that through. Oops. And tie it. So as you guys can see, you can't see it on this side, and it looks good here. It's stuck together. So then you're gonna just tie it up. So I always just go through a little piece of the fabric on that back side, loop it through, stick your needle through once, stick it through the loop again twice, and that's gonna create a knot. Just like that. Hope you guys can see this. And then just cut it. And there you have it. We have an invisible stitch. So on my sleeves that are smaller, I do 1 in the middle, 1 in the bottom, 1 at the top, and 1 more on the back. So I'm going to do 1 more just so you guys can see. I'm going to do this back side. So again, you want to make sure it's like tight rolled. You don't want like a bunch of space down here. I'm going to tie a knot. So I'll show you this again too. So you just put the string over your finger, hold it with your thumb, loop it over, roll it down, ta-da, and then we're going to be on the inside here. I really want to make sure this is like perfectly tight. Okay, so on the inside, right around where the bottom rim is, you're going to, so what I always like to do is like you can like stick it through and then just back it up a little till that first layer doesn't come. So you can see there's no stitch showing, but it's stitched together. So once we do that, we pull it through. If you get this little bubble of string, just make sure to pull it out. And again, go sorry, I'm trying not to block the camera. Go through like this top layer shirt, stick your needle through once, stick your needle through twice, and pull it down, and that will knot it up. Cut the string and double check. Yep, we have no stitch showing. It is stitched up if you pull it open, and it will stay. So then the next thing you want to do obviously is the top and bottom. So I'm going to do that really fast. All right, you guys, and there you have it. So I'm just going to show you the actual finished sleeve. So as you can see, you can't see any stitching, but if you unroll it inside, you can see all the little stitches. And again, you just want to do the bottom and the top and then the two sides. And you can cut these strings off a little shorter if you want. I was just cutting them real quick, but this sleeve will now stay rolled up and it looks super, super cute. So I hope you guys try this out on your own shirts. If you do, tag me on Instagram at Erica Marie Daily. And if you guys want some great t-shirt, like especially graphic band t-shirts for less than 20 bucks, make sure to check the links below. I have a lot of really great and cute options. And also, don't forget, I do hacks over on my Instagram every single Tuesday. I don't always do them here on YouTube, so make sure that you are following me at Erica Marie Daily. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video.